Before to do anything, power off your phone. Then, using a paperclip or the original tool that come in the box of your phone, push the little hole on top of your device. And here come the SIM holder. Pop your new SIM card. Place the holder so you can see the instruction on top, on that side. The electronic of the chip must be on the lower side. The chip must be perfectly inserted. You can't go wrong. Otherwise, it won't fit. This is the dual SIM model. SIM 1 is on the lower part. On the top part, you can choose between micro SD card or a second SIM. Reinsert the holder into the phone. If you have the screen in front of you, the tiny hole should be on the right. Restart your phone by holding the power button. Enjoy your phone, and we are done.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!